Jai Swaminarayan student. In the second video series of the Python, today we are going to see the common basic concept used in the Python programming. That is, today we are going to see what are the tokens in the Python. Then we will concentrate on the what are the keywords used in the Python. Then identifiers and some literal values. Okay, so here we going to start book presentation. So see first the tokens in Python. So this is from your textbook, Sumita Arora textbook. So what is meant by tokens in the Python? Tokens is nothing but the smallest individual unit in a program. Okay. So when we are say the tokens, so token is categorized into, these are the category for the token. First it contain the keyword, then for the identifier, then for the literal, then operators, and punctuator. Here you can add as a punctuator. Okay, so what is this keyword, identifier, literal, operator, punctuator? We will see one by one. Okay, so first we see the keyword. So for the keyword, see, keyword are the predefined word. Okay, so these are the predefined word, we can say predefined word in, or it is also called the user defined. Already these keywords are defined in the Python. Okay, so there are the list of keywords. You can see false, assert, del, for, in, or, while, none, break, elif, else if, we can say from, is, pass with, true, class, else, global, lambda, raise, yield. So see, these are the keywords used in the Python. Okay, this else if condition, this is for, so this is else if condition, this is for the conditional operator we can use. Okay, these true and false, these are called as the boolean operators. So these keywords are already predefined in the Python libraries. Okay, why we use this keyword? These are the predefined word. Whenever we are doing the programming, we require these predefined words for Python program. Okay, next start with the identifier. Identifier are the name given to the different parts of a program. Okay, तो आइडेंटिफायर में क्या क्या आएगा? वेरिएबल आएगा, ऑब्जेक्ट आएगा, क्लासेस आएगा, फंक्शंस और लिस्ट और डिक्शनरीज. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे जो ये फंक्शंस है, लिस्ट है, डिक्शनरी है, ठीक है, दीज आर कॉल्ड एज द डेटा टाइप्स. वी विल सी इट लेटर. ओके, तो आइडेंटिफायर लिखने के रूल्स होते हैं. ये रूल्स को हमें फॉलो करना है. सो पहला रूल जो है वो वेरिएबल नेम मस्ट ओनली ब नॉन कीवर्ड वर्ड. नॉन कीवर्ड वर्ड मीन्स जो इतने सारे कीवर्ड्स है इसमें से कोई भी नहीं रहेगा नॉन कीवर्ड वर्ड, यानी कीवर्ड को हम आइडेंटिफायर नहीं लिख सकते. ओके, विथ नो स्पेस इन बिटवीन, स्पेस रहेगी नहीं. देन वेरिएबल नेम मस्ट बी मेड अप ऑफ ओनली लेटर्स, नंबर एंड अंडरस्कोर. ओके, सो वेरिएबल नेम जो है वो सिर्फ लेटर्स, नंबर और अंडरस्कोर्स का बनाएगा. वेरिएबल नेम कैन नॉट बिगिन विथ अ नंबर ऑल्दो दे कैन कंटेन नंबर. ओके, सो वेरिएबल नेम कैन नॉट बिगिन विथ अ नंबर ऑल्दो दे कैन कंटेन द नंबर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स देखना चाहते हैं वेरिएबल्स नेम में, सो सी हाउ वी डिफाइन द वेरिएबल्स. ठीक है, तो जैसे कि मैंने लिखा है यहाँ पे रोल नंबर. ठीक है, रोल नंबर, तो ये वेरिएबल हो सकता है, बट ये दोनों के बीच में स्पेस नहीं देना है हमें. यहाँ पे हम अंडरस्कोर लगाएंगे. सो दिस कैन बी वन वेरिएबल. ओके, roll number. Next, first letter you can take capital also, no problem, roll number. So don't give the space between these two words. So this is, don't give this space, don't separate that two words. Okay, you have to give underscore. Next, for the it contain the number. For example, I can say stud1. Stud1 can be variable, okay, but one student cannot be variable. So this is the wrong way. Hope you understand it. Okay, hope you understand it. Stud1, this is the correct way for writing variable, this is the wrong way. Though it contains the number, but it cannot start with the number. Okay, these are the basic rules for defining the variable. Here are certain example in your textbook. You can see these are the textbooks, examples given from the textbooks. So valid identifiers, that is valid variable, you can see my file, then date 979, okay, then ds. So this can be a valid. And what are the invalid? These are the invalid because the 29 CLCT, okay, so starting with the digit. This break cannot be used because break is the part of the keyword. You can see here, break is the part of the C, break, it is a part of keywords, okay. Then my dot file, it contains the special characters, so it is invalid. So these are the certain example for writing the variables. You just go through once the rules for defining the variable, then do the practicing for this, because whenever you start with the program, if you not write the variable properly, it will give you error in the program. Okay, next start with the literal value. So what are the literals value? So literals, that is a constant value. Okay, literals are data items that have the fixed or constant value. Okay, so there are the types of literal, like the first is the string literal. So string literal, that should be written inside the inverted comma. Okay, so double quotation marks or single quotation marks, you can use any one. So single line string. So single line string, what is the single line string? It must be terminate in the one line. Okay, and what is the multi-line string? These are the strings spread across multiple lines. So see here, one example it is given here. So text1 equal to hello world. Okay, so this is a single line string. बट वही हम text2 जब देख रहे हैं तो hello के बाद यहाँ पे हमने स्लैश डाला है. स्लैश इज फॉर द न्यू लाइन कैरेक्टर स्लैश एन. सो जैसे हम hello लिखेंगे तो नए लाइन में वो वर्ड आ जाएगा. सो दिस इज द मल्टी लाइन स्ट्रिंग. Okay, so in the Python you can use both single line string and multi line string, but whenever you are writing in the string, that should be inside the inverted comma only. Okay, next these are the certain characters, you just go through it. What is the use of backslash? This is the single quote, this is the double quote. Okay, this is the ASCII bell, ASCII backspace. If you want to backspace, so you can the slash b slash f form fit slash n, that is the new line character. Okay, so these are the certain character escape sequence we can say, which is used in the Python. Okay, mainly used for the backslash b slash n, then slash inverted single inverted quote. इसी का ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट go for the numeric literal. Then after the string literal, these are the numeric literal. Okay, so integer, so int अपने को लिखना है for the integer, that is the sign integer. Okay, sign integer means it doesn't contain the decimal value. Okay, तो अगर हम numeric literal की बात करते हैं, if we are talking about the numeric literal, if we are talking about the numeric literal, तो जैसे इंट हो गया, ठीक है, एक फ्लोट हो जाएगा और एक यहाँ पे आपका आ जाएगा इंटीजर और फ्लोट. ये हो गए आपके न्यूमरिक लिटरल. तो इंट यानी इंटीजर. ठीक है, तो इंटीजर में आपको ऐसे वैल्यू लिखने हैं जिसमें विदाउट डेसिमल पॉइंट. ओके, सो जिसमें डेसिमल पॉइंट नहीं रहेगा, विदाउट डेसिमल पॉइंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल like 233, okay, 89. So these are number comes under the integer literal. Okay, वही फ्लोट की अगर हम बात करते हैं, सो दीज आर कॉल्ड एज द फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट. ठीक है, फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट, सो दैट इज विथ डेसिमल पॉइंट. विथ डेसिमल पॉइंट. So here, okay, so here are the float literal, that is a floating point literal. So floating point literal, it having the decimal point. So like 2.35, 1.25, 1.76. So these all the value comes under the floating point numeric literal. Okay, so this is the second type of literal. First is the string literal, second is the numeric literal, then third is the boolean literal. See here the boolean literal. So boolean literal, it contain the only two value, boolean values. Boolean literal, it contain only true value, that is true and false. Okay, then next is the operators. What are the different operator used in the Python programming? So arithmetic operator like plus, minus for the multiplication, division, modulus, double multiplication, double slash. These are used for the arithmetic operator. Then there are the bitwise operator like single and, or, and not. Okay, so operators. Then these are the conditional operator. Shift operator, you can say shift right, shift left. Then identity operator, is and is not. Relational operators to find out the condition like less than, greater than, less than, greater than. Okay, so yes, relational operators like less than, greater than. Then logical operators, and, or, not. Assignment operator, that is single, equal to. And membership operator, in, not, in. Okay, so these are the various operator used in the Python programming. Tomorrow I will again revise this operator and we will see one example for this in the Python program. Okay, hope you understand the video. Just go through this theory basic and do the practice so that tomorrow we can start the programming. Okay, revise all the rules for writing the Python programs, Python variables. Go for the literals. Okay, thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.